Dumelang Sanbonani, greetings family. I'm well. I hope you guys are well. I hope you had a good week. Hope this past week was good to you guys. Guys, we're still continuing with the basic conditions of employment. Today we're going to be dealing with the pay for work on Sundays. For those who work on Sundays. Number one, an employer must pay an employee who works on a Sunday at a double the employee's wage for each hour worked, unless the employee ordinarily works on a Sunday, in which case the employer must pay the employee at 1.5 times the employee's wage for each hour worked. Right? Number two, if an employee works less than the employee's ordinary shift on a Sunday, and the payment that the employee is entitled to in terms of subsection 1 is less than the employee's ordinary daily wage,